wait, why is it that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is getting all the hype on the internet compared to other foldable phones like the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold or even the OnePlus Open 2 and also the Honor Magic V3? These are wonderful foldable phones. Even the latest OPPO Find N5. Okay, this and more we are going to talk about in this video. So I want you to stay tuned and you are going to see the difference why this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is getting all the hype, even when not yet released, compared to other foldable phones. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. So the first thing, according to leaks and reports that we are getting, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 will come with a lot of improvement compared to other foldable phones, including the Z Fold 6 that was released in July 2024. The rumor suggests that there will be an improvement in the display department, that the inner display now will increase from 7.6 inches in the Z Fold 6 to 8.2 inches, which is also a good thing. Then we also hear that the outer display now is going to be increased from 6.3 inches to 6.5 inches with full higher density resolution and with a 120 Hz refresh rate. And I think this is the reason why Z Fold 7 is kind of trending compared to other foldable phones. However, the OPPO Find N5 have an internal display of 8.12 with AMOLED 120 Hz refresh rate. And the outer display is 6.62, which is clearly bigger than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. But yet, it's not getting the attention it deserves. So, okay, now let's talk about the weight and the thickness. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to come with the thickness of 4.5 millimeter when unfolded and 9.5 millimeter when folded. But guess what? The Honor Magic V3 and the OPPO Find N5 are the two slimmest phones in the world right now. But yet, they are not getting the attention they deserve. Even in the weight department, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, according to the reports we are getting, is going to come with 238 grams. Now compare it to the OPPO Find N5 that weighs 229 grams, which means the OPPO Find N5 is the slimmest phone in the world. Yet nobody is talking about it. Let's talk about the performance. Okay, rumor have it that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite. And again, the OPPO Find N5 is also powered by the same Snapdragon 8 Elite. Still, a lot of people are talking about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So, I really don't know why. Now, let's talk about the RAM. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 will come with 12 gigabytes of RAM, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold and the OPPO N5 have 16 gigabytes with 512 gigabytes of storage. And you can also upgrade it to 1 terabyte. But now the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 only starts from 256 gigabytes, though you can also still configure it or upgrade it to 1 terabyte of storage. Yet people still talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. It's something I don't know how, it's something I can't just wrap over my head. Now let's talk about the software. All these phones are going to run on Android 15, but the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 will come with One UI 7, according to the reports that we are getting. So they are running on the same Android 15 software. And for the battery capacity, all the foldable phones' battery will be more than that of Galaxy Z Fold 7. All of them, because according to reports we are getting, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is going to come with 4,400 milliamp hours of battery and a 25 watt wired charging with a 15 watts wireless charging. While on the other hand, the OPPO Find N5 has a battery capacity of 5,600 milliamp hours of battery with 80 watts wired charging and a whole lot of 50 watt wireless charging. So now I don't really get it why people are still talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. And another thing, maybe the defining moment is the camera, because on making this video I discovered there's a little bit of disparity in the camera department. Okay, for instance, the OPPO Find N5 has 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and 50 megapixel telephoto camera. And another foldable phone that is close to this OPPO Find N5 is the Honor Magic V3 that has 50 megapixel main camera, 40 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 50 megapixel telephoto lens. But according to the reports we are getting, they said the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 will come with a massive 200 megapixel main camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, then 10 megapixel telephoto lens. So according to this report that we are having, come to think of it, maybe the defining department or the defining moment for this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the camera, because every other foldable phones did not cross 50 megapixel main camera. But when it comes to the Z Fold 7, it has 200 megapixel main camera. So this is the defining moment. This is the reason why a lot of people are talking about this phone that Samsung is going to be releasing in June or July this year. So kindly write in the comment section your thoughts on, is the camera, is it enough for a phone to get all this hype that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is getting compared to other foldable phones? Thank you and see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye.